All right, let's talk about your forecast today. Good day for those indoor activities like needle crafts or, sitting on the couch watching TV. If you can't do that, you have to be out in this. It's a slow go. Leave yourself plenty of extra time to get to where you need to go. It's going to be tough getting the kids out of bed, tough getting everybody moving today just because it's so damp, it's so dreary, but it is improving as the day goes along. While it is a wet start to our Wednesday, and that has prompted our next weather alert, the alert is going to be over through the 8 o'clock hour, and then the afternoon is just kind of cloudy and chilly, but we do gradually warm things back up, at least to seasonable, if not slightly above normal by the weekend and into the weekend. We are watching another system Saturday. Now, some of the models have this kind of passing to the south and just grazing us Friday night into early Saturday. Others have it slightly further north, which would mean more wet weather for Saturday. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. I want to start you off with the areas that we've been watching for snowflakes in the Lehigh Valley. In Bethlehem specifically, not really seeing much of anything. It's very wet. It's raining. Maybe you see a few flakes mixing in, but for the most part, temperatures at the surface outside of the Poconos have just been too warm to support any kind of real wintry mix. We had some sleet come through yesterday. The leading edge showers that popped up here and there produced some light sleet and snow pellets, ice pellets, but not much of that today, just that cold rain. It's 42 and raining. Winds are northeasterly, making it feel like 36. That is miserable. When it feels like the 30s and it's a cold rain, you almost just wish it were snow, but at least rain is somewhat easier to drive in. And if you're out there this morning, it's going to be a slow go, but the back edge is in sight. So this is already starting to move on out. Chester County drying out right now. Still have some steady downpours right here over the city. Basically that kind of busy interchange where you have the Blue Route, the Schuylkill, I-95, all getting soaked right now. And that's starting to lift up into Northeast Philly as well, crossing into South Jersey. So not done just yet. And we've got some steadier rain up across the Lehigh Valley, Upper Bucks into Northampton County. In Philadelphia, we've got some light rain or drizzle still at 8 a.m. After that, it's drier, but don't think we're going to see much in the way of sun. If we do see any sun breakthrough, I think it's late in the day, right before the sun sets. 5 p.m., it's only 45 degrees. With clouds and a little bit of a chilly breeze, it's going to feel colder than that all day long. But at least it's not going to be wet. After about 9 o'clock, the rain is off the coast, and we just have clouds lingering. It's kind of a raw, chilly day. You can see by 1 o'clock, maybe a few breaks in the cloud cover, possibly a little sun trying to return, especially the farther north you go as the system makes its way off the coast. But it's not until later this evening that the clouds really start to break up. Tomorrow is a dry day, weak high pressure nudging in, not a ton of sunshine, but at least it is dry and we're back to the 50s. Most of Friday is dry as well, but our next system threatens Friday night into Saturday morning, and most of this is going to stay south of us. Let's take you into Friday. So here's 7 a.m. as we start off the weekend. It's marathon weekend in Philadelphia. That means you got the half and the 8K on Saturday, the kids run and the full marathon on Sunday. Here's what this looks like Friday into Saturday. Now Friday, we may brighten up a little bit in the afternoon. We'll call it mostly cloudy, but a few breaks of sun possible. It's Friday night that this next system approaches, and you can see the rain is mainly to the south, but this may graze our area overnight Friday night into the first part of Saturday. So that would impact runners doing the half marathon, and the 8K Saturday morning could be a little bit wet. Sunday looks a whole lot better as we head toward the full marathon in Philadelphia. So while today is chilly, we start off with rain. It's only 46 degrees. Tomorrow we're back to 52. 56, mostly cloudy Friday with that rain chance Friday night into Saturday. That'll knock down the temperature just a little bit. But by later Saturday, it should dry out. And then Sunday is beautiful. 55 degrees with some sun. Monday looks great as well. We'll make a run for 60 with some sun returning. So we are on the upswing after today.